This is the Arduino wireless keyer, Morse code keyer. There's the Morse code key, straight key sitting right here. Here is the Arduino Nano, and this is the 433 megahertz transmitter. And right now it's powered by a power supply rather than batteries. This is the Arduino Nano wireless keyer receiver. This is the antenna, this is the receiver module, and this is the Nano, battery powered, and the relay to interface to the radio. There's the wire, plug in. And the idea is that I don't have to have the key plugged in there. If you're trying to run the straight key directly into the radio, you can get tangled up and mess with the wire, so it's much easier. So the radio is actually turned on, plugged in, and it's on a dummy load. So it's not going to transmit out to the world. Here we go, transmitting. Well, that was me sending CQ, and if you could hear the tone, you see there's no tone, there's no speaker here, because the other end is tied into the radio over here on the other side. We can zoom in again where the receiver is and the radio. So I'm going to back up and hit the key again from over here. Wait. That was goodbye.